Let's look at the stock market performance. So this is Fortune's 100 best companies to work for. This is the S&P. And, long story short, Fortune's 100 best companies to work for outperform the rest of the market by 3 times. Again, in terms of investment strategies, that's not a bad group of companies to invest in. And why is that? Well, again, it's pretty logical, isn't it? If after the symposium today, later this afternoon, you're going to go buy something, right? A product, a service, whatever it is. And I give you 2 options. I say option A, you're going to work with somebody who loves their job, right? Who loves being there, loves the people they work with, understands why they're doing what they're doing. They've been well trained, right? That's option A. Option B, you're going to work with somebody that I refer, kind of the clock puncher. Is it 5 o'clock yet? Sort of going through the motions, right? Dead man walking. Where would you rather do business? Well, chances are you'd rather do business with company A, right? And hence the 3 times better performance.